Okay. Hey, honey. We need we need bananas, apples, peanut butter. Okay. Thanks. Bananas. Okay. Now we need 2 apples. No, we need like 4 apples. And peanut butter. Okay. I'll choose. Okay. 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 So, since you are so good, you get to choose something. Okay, I choose the purple dragon. Okay, let me take it. Hey, Eli, do you want? Hey, Eli, you want a stuffed animal too? Yeah. Okay, you can buy that. Okay. Bye. Hey, check out register person.
Just a second, ma'am. Apples?
It's apple.
Okay. Just let me write down your order. Wait, repeat that. Apples, right?
There's apples.
Okay, I'll put that on your order. Yes?
Hello.
Who is it?
It is Maylee Dixon.
Okay.
We
and
bought bananas, peanut butter, peaches, and a bunch of apples.
okay, anything else? Ooh.